A graphics card is the beating heart of a PC. It's one of the most important components, and everything probably comes in seconds. And without a good GPU, pushing pixels is something even the fastest CPU can't pull off. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the best graphics cards you can buy in 2023. Spoiler alert, some of the options today can cost an arm and a leg, but I'm sure you'll get the most bang for your buck for everything listed in this video. Before we jump to action, welcome to Tech Picks, where you can get your fix of the best and latest gadgets. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on, and leave a like on this video. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. That being said, let's get started. Number 1. MSI GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. A good GPU should not just benchmark better, it needs to perform for its price. And the RTX 3060 Ti from NVIDIA pretty much checks all the boxes. You get excellent ray tracing capabilities and excellent performance in 1080p. Sadly, the full HD resolution is now considered entry-level these days, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy games in high settings. The performance of the RTX 3060 Ti can easily rival the RTX 2080, which has the older flagship model from NVIDIA but for a much higher price. For medium settings, you can tip your toes in 4K gaming, but you'll have to compromise on ray tracing. Besides that, the card keeps it cool under load and looks amazing in a clear side glass casing. Pair it with the right components, and you can enjoy AAA titles with RTX on while saving a bunch of cash. Number 2. Gigabyte Radeon RX 6700 XT. One thing I like about AMD is how generous they are with GDDR memory, and especially for the price that's going at the time of writing this video. You will curse yourself for not pulling the trigger on a purchase. The link will be in the description as always, but before you head there, let me tell you why this is such an amazing offering. Although it's considered a mid-range card, the Radeon RX 600 XT is amazing for 1440p gaming. Previously, it was rivaling the RTX 3070 price-wise. Selling right now, you can buy 2 of these and still save the change. It can do RTX thanks to RDNA 2 architecture. It won't be as good as NVIDIA, but you will get 12 gigabytes of RAM to really enjoy the bigger 1440p resolution on max settings. Number 3. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. If you want to buy the most powerful graphics card on the market right now, you don't have to look far. But do look up, because the RTX 4090 Founders Edition card is truly top shelf. It's the most powerful, most capable, and most no-nonsense card from NVIDIA that is mass-produced. So let's pick the prick first and talk about the price. It was launched with a mind-boggling $1,600 price tag, but good luck finding it for its original price. However, the prices of GPUs are now a bit sensible. Sure, it will still cost you a kidney, so you better start to pick a side. Besides that, the 24 gigabytes of RAM will pull you through a 4K gaming experience on ultra settings, and you won't even feel it. It's 90% faster than the RTX 3090, which was already considered crazy. But that's not all. If 4K gaming is not enough, you can even get a very good and lasting taste of 8K gaming. Just make sure you have beefy enough powerfully, because it needs a lot of power. Yes, it's an overkill for most people, but that's never stopped us from buying things before, has it? Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. Over to Team Red again. AMD has some serious potential in the graphics cards game, and has a lot to prove when it hit the scene at the end of 2022. But it succeeds brilliantly in being the most powerful gaming GPU on the market, as it outperformed the RTX 4080 both in price and performance. The new 2nd-gen ray accelerators in the RX 7900 XTX make 4K gaming on ultra setting with ray tracing a reality on an AMD card, something that the last flagship AMD card, the RX 6950 XT, couldn't quite accomplish. So if your PC is in desperate need of an upgrade, you can get your hands on one of these before the GPU shortage strikes back. Number 5. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti. If you want the performance of an RTX 3090 without paying the price, the RTX 3080 Ti will never make you feel like you have anything less than its more capable brother. It carries on the pedigree and legacy of the RTX 3080, took 4K gaming to the mainstream, and with this GPU, you can easily play at 60 FPS 4K while keeping it cool under pressure. Of course, it's still among the more expensive of NVIDIA's offerings and requires a good amount of power to function properly. But this is still the best graphics card on the market right now, especially if you care about ray tracing. So, here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Do check out the links in the description, and share what card is currently powering your rig in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with a new one.